Most people get this wrong. They think Paydic is just another simple payment app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Paydic combines early wage access, flexible installment options, and spending management tools, all designed to make managing money easier and more predictable. Here's how Paydic works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This can be useful for unexpected bills or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into installments with flat, transparent fees instead of high interest rates, which makes budgeting simpler and more predictable. Paydic also comes with dashboards, alerts, and reminders to track spending, upcoming payments, and account activity. These features help prevent late fees and encourage responsible use. The downside: overusing Paydic can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the app could hide deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only take advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to track upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Paydic. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Paydic in 2026 is a practical and convenient financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan your payments, track your fees, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more reviews and money-saving tips that keep your finances on track.